Hello guys, I am Maria from Crochet Fashion, and in today's video tutorial you will see how to crochet two-layered flower. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and 2 balls of yarn. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. I will begin the flower from the foundation ring. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Continue. Make half double crochet into the ring. Make chain of 2. Pull it. I will not use them. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the ring. Make half double crochet. In total it should be 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 12 half double crochet. And as you can see, I removed a long piece of yarn. I'm about to complete this round. I skip chain stitches. Insert the hook into the first half double crochet. Make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be a round of chain spaces. Make a chain for the next round. Make single crochet into the same half double crochet that I worked into. I skip the next stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Make single crochet. Chain of 3. I skip the next stitch. Insert the hook into the second one. Make single crochet. Chain of 3 and single crochet into the second stitch. In total it should be 6 of them. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Let's complete round 2. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the first single crochet. Make a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. It is going to be a round of petals. Make a chain. I will not use it. Work into the chain space. Make single crochet. Then chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Insert the hook into the chain space. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the same chain space. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 3, 4. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the same chain space. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over the hook twice. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and make the second double crochet not finish. This is the complex stitch, and now I show you how to complete it. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My complex stitch is ready. I continue working on my petal. Make a chain. I insert the hook into 2 loops, like this. make single crochet. Then make a peak on the top on this single crochet. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make single crochet. Then chain of 3, 2, and picot. 3, insert the hook into 2 loops, make single crochet, and picot. 4, chain of 3, and work with a slip stitch. 5, and picot. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and picot. This is the last double crochet. I insert the hook into pair, make single crochet. My petal is ready. It is very beautiful and quick to make at the same time. Now I show you how to crochet the second one. As I did before, make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Yarn over the hook 5 times. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook 4 times, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Yarn over the hook 3 times and pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then treble crochet not finish and double crochet twice not finish. 1, 2. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you should crochet single crochet with picot in the same way as I showed you before, in this direction. In total it should be 6 petals. Once I have done all my 6 petals, and let's complete this round. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch, pull it to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn, so my cute flat 6 petal flower is ready. You can stop at this stage. You can add a bit to the center of the flower. And here how it looks with bead. I have made some examples using another kind of yarn and colors. Next time you will see how to crochet the second layer of the flower. For the next layer you can choose another color of yarn. Let's crochet the second layer of the flower. At the beginning, I'm going to work with chain spaces into the tops that I did before. I remove my petal, insert the hook into the top. In my case, this is the another color of yarn. In your case, it could be variegated yarn or also another color of yarn. Grab the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain, pull it, make single crochet into the same stitch. Then chain of 3 for the chain space. Then insert the hook. Insert the hook into the next free stitch. Make single crochet. Chain of 3. Insert the hook into the free stitch. Make single crochet. So keep working this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. I chained the last one. To complete this round, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet the next round. It is going to be a round of petals. I'm going to work with petals in the same way as I showed you before. Make a chain, then single crochet, continue, chain of 6 for the petal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over the hook 5 times, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook 4 times, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Yarn over the hook and make double crochet knot finish and double crochet knot finish in the same chain space. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All done. I just need to do single crochet with picot. Make a chain, pull it, insert the hook into 2 loops, make single crochet, chain of 3, insert the hook into 2 loops, make a slip stitch. The picot is ready. Continue, then make the second one and picot 2. I repeat it one more time because I showed you how to make this one before in the first layer. 3, 4, 5 and picot, 6 and picot. Once I have done 6 single crochet with picot, continue, insert the hook into the thread and loop, make single crochet, insert the hook into the next chain space, make single crochet, then work with next petal, make chain of 6 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Then you should work with different all stitches and single crochet with picots. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Once I have done the last petal, now I show you how to complete my second layer. As I did before, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet by making a slip stitch. to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew a bead, or you can add accessories to create brooch. That's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when you're done. For this flower you just need to know how to crochet different roll stitches, chain spaces, and get 2 balls of yarn and a crochet hook. Also you can use variegated yarn. The center of the flower is decorated with bead. You can use it like a separate motif, or it could be a part of big projects such as Irish lace or guipure lace. Also you can add a flower to your favorite clothes or bag. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my motifs. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. It was Maria from Crochet Fashion.